so... Do you need me to take off your shirt for you too?
Oh my god, whoa. Bunny dinner.
Why is this so hard? Why?
I guess this is stuck on me. I guess I'll have to just wait forever.
Am I the only one that loves going to the dentist's office? My dentist always hooks it up with some toothpaste, toothbrush. Woo!
Hey, Ryan's going out. The biceps are ready.
Come on, Ryan. Give me love you long time.
Layer of the year.
The layer of the year, Jeffrey.
He can do it while sitting.
Jeffrey, you want to watch this.
I'm not even like strong. Oh my
Whoa,
god.
whoa.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Are you stealing our chalk?
Conserve it. Put it back in your chalk bag.
What are you doing?
This is how you relax your forearms.
Ew.
Use your knee.
Ew.
Now you try.
I don't think I can. What is that? Ah. I don't know. She's weird.
No, like that's how you like get like dig your knee in it.
Ah. I guess. Why do you do this? Ah. I mean, I guess. Is it in place? I can't see, so I don't know if it looks good.
That's the biggest brain move I've ever seen.
This thing is filled with protein.
Yeah, like a sparkle in his eyes. Protein.
Claiming ketchup.
I'm currently skating to the dining hall because Jacqueline summoned me. She said I need to try this pumpkin cheesecake, and verbatim she said, because it slaps. She also made me a sandwich, so I love her.
I have no idea what I put in. I just smacked a bunch of stuff.
Thank you so much.
Actually, though, it's pesto mayo and brown mustard. And I was like, ooh, you're gonna like this.
So bomb.
And then there was like sourdough bread, but I was like, I'm gonna switch it up and get like the rye bread because it's healthy like that.
Rye bread? A little shoulder
Oh,
action?
rye bread.
Oh my gosh.
Some of them are for me to bring back. So.
Oh, not. That's kind of awkward.
Yeah.
So I'm not. I can't just.
It's
take
so
all
good. No, well,
put it in my
you
back.
can have.
You actually like small like.
I would have grabbed more. I think I definitely could have put more here. I don't know. Wait, hold on. The camera needs to. Okay. Wait, it's just not focusing. It's focusing on your lips, which is pretty nice too. Okay, go.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
No,
It was good.
Oftentimes, I feel that cheesecake makes me queasy because the ratio to cheese and graham cracker is never enough, right? But I really like how fluffy. If you look at the texture of the cheese, it's also really fluffy. Like you can see that they totally whipped that shit up.
I'm gonna try to wrap a gift for a Secret Santa gift exchange that I'm having on Saturday. But in the season of giving, gifts are nice and all, but there's definitely, okay, I definitely can already sense people in the comment section saying like, Catherine, like, stop talking about sustainability, like, can you just shut up about it already? Okay, no, I cannot, because this is a big part of my life, and I would love to use my platform to share about it. So, in the season of giving, there's ways to wrap gifts sustainably. So, the way I'm going to show you today, I have no idea if it's going to work, but I'm going to make it work, and even if I don't make it work, I'm just going to give it not wrapped, and I'm sorry if I'm a bad gift giver. It's the actual gift that counts, right? Not how it's wrapped. So we're gonna see if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna tell you my game plan right now. So my secret Santa person is Justin, and he has appeared on the vlogs quite a few times. So he asked specifically for a beanie, which was like very easy to get. I got it off Amazon, easy peasy. But I wanted to give kind of like an additional gift, so it's kind of like a surprise for him. So I got him a blender bottle, and it's just kind of like, I guess it's just like an inside joke. Like, yes, it is like very useful to use just in general for anybody that like moderately works out, but I just think it's funny to get him something like fitness related, because a couple friends and I always rag on him about how he's like always talking about how he's some big muscly guy, but he's gonna so call me out on this. He watches the vlogs, but yeah, we always joke that he's some like he thinks he's some big muscly guy in Mr. Swole Patrol, but yeah, you guys can fill in the blank. 5 minutes later, didn't take too long, and I wrapped the gift. Well, I'm gonna first show you what was left over. So I only had these 3 pieces left over, so these are the 2, now 1 handle, and then this is the bottom fold of the bag. But I'm actually very pleased to see how it turned out. This is the finished product.
The comments are actually so funny.
I just finished Bible study with Alice, and now I'm heading over to Riverside Studios because this consulting agency that I work for that is based in the Riverside area, we recently got an office, so I volunteered to put some wall decor up. So, do I have handyman experience? No. But can I learn? Yes. Through trial and error. So we'll see how that goes. You guys will see in the next clip.
can't seem to. I can't hear. I just. It's a bonfire! It's a
How does he make his hair stay like so pointy?
He also does it backwards too.
That's so gross.
Drop the mic.
Heavenly Father, thank you so much for this day. Thank you just for your grace in allowing us to even wake up this morning. Thank you just for this time that we could come together as the graduating class to celebrate Thanksgiving and Christmas. God, we just thank you for the gospel first and foremost that allows us to even be alive, let alone able to fellowship with